welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today my family and I are in Idaho for a family trip. And we're renting a house here, so I decided to do a travel vlog of this house. So let's begin. So I'm standing where the front door is and the view from the front door. So in front of you is the kitchen. To the left side from my area, my hand, is the living room. In front of you is the coat closet, and then on the other side is the 2-bedroom and a bath. Behind the door that you see in front of you, that one, is another bedroom. Okay. So here is the living room, nice couch. I actually sat here for breakfast. I love the painting or the picture in this house. A little bit, so you can see the outside. Here's the outside. When I was sitting here for breakfast, it was snowing really hard, but now it's not. Crazy weather. Over there is our coats. And the front door, what I was standing behind just a minute ago, and then the bathroom and the 2 bedrooms. Okay, here is one of the bedroom, and you can see me in the mirror. Woohoo! So this is where my sister will sleep for the time being. Nice bed, it's actually comfy. And then I like that picture, to joy. Okay, from the bedroom, we're going to the bathroom, which I'm going to be sharing. Going to the bathroom, turning on the light, boom. You will see the shower head, of course the toilet, the sink, and me. Woohoo! From the bathroom, we're going into my bedroom. My bedroom is messy, and hey, I'm on vacation, so I can be messy. I got my blankies, their blanket, got my blanket, my pillows, my wires, my socks. Love the picture in this room. And then I got my suitcase and my backpack. And then that picture is so pretty. Going into the other bedroom and then on to the other room of the house. This is my mom and dad bedroom room. We're not going in there too much, but they have a nice TV and their bathroom look like mine. Then we have the dining room. The chair is actually hard, so I have to have a pillow behind it. We have a mirror. There is a step, and my dad put a pillow here so we know to sit down and not trip. I love the flooring in this house. Here is the backyard. Nice backyard. It was actually snowing earlier. I will put a picture on it. Look really pretty. Here is a comfy couch. I actually fell asleep here last night. Whoops. Right before bedtime. So we were walking. Turning around, and here is a TV. So a lot of room in the house is the kitchen. But right here is the laundry room. And out there in the garage. So it's really smelly right now, so I'm going to get out of here. Okay, here is the kitchen. We got some goodies. My mom and dad got some goodies. I also got some goodies, food-wise, for the week. And I'm going to make a list of what I got from home and also what I got here from National Grocery yesterday. So, from home, and what it can fit in between my mom and I suitcases and I got a new cooler bag, and my backpack is, and right here in the refrigerator is, my heat packs were in my backpack yesterday, heavy. I got hand soap. I got this soap for washing dishes, hand towels. I got mini water bottles. They were actually fun drinking out of them yesterday at the airport and in the car. That was fun. Kind of look like a shot bottle, but they're not. They're just filled with water, so it's helpful. We got a small kettle for me for tea making. Got my 2 teas. Peppermint is helpful for when I have like stomach pains and my stomach is too tight. I do peppermint. England breakfast is really good for like acid or if my stomach is acting up. I got my medicine tablet thing. I took my medicine today for folic acid only for my eye and my feet. We got our hat for water opening. I got lids, I got a clean bowl, I got silverware, I got cup bowls, I got tuna. This is my favorite tuna. No added salt. I got sugar, millet flour, my potato bag. I got spatula, measuring cup. I got brown rice flour, arrowroot flour, of course my water bottle, and then I have my food for the week. So for the food for the week from home, we have homemade bagels, homemade tortillas, more homemade tortillas, homemade apple pies, and then I have spaghetti squash, applesauce, and carrots. What I bought here from National Grocers yesterday, I got my favorite apple juice. It almost gone, thank goodness. Waters. I got a raspberry sorbet. Me a potato. I'm actually doing a recipe tonight for it. These kind of chips, they are so good. I only ate the whole bag yesterday. Whoopsie. Yeah, almost gone. So that's it for the house tour. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, give me a like, subscribe down below, hit the bell so you know when I am posting. Share with our family friend and enjoy 24 because you know that I am. So, bye.